Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Google Pixel device to Samsung Galaxy M56. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm. Continue. Allow in this pop-up and allow all in the second one. Now you can tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Google Pixel and receive right next to send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Google Pixel, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire, and then hit receive button to connect. If you want to scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!